Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got, yes, you guessed it, all of our Amish stuff. So we're going to unbox it all, see what all the fun things we got. Go to the snacks and candy category on Hooked on Pickin. We're going to list it all there. We're going to go through the majority of this, but we really want to kind of get to it and list it. And so we're going to go through and see what some of the new things maybe are that we have and what have we just replenished. All right, we're going to go ahead and unbox all of these things. Shannon's behind us taking pictures of all our auction stuff.
Oh yeah.
Word. This one looks amazing.
That's new, right?
Yeah, this is a new one. Look at that. Peanut butter cup. It looks like a dice.
I love peanut
Makes you
butter.
think of a number 5 dice.
And peanut
Cups.
butter.
Regular peanut butter.
Oh, it's a mixture.
Yeah, if you don't like chocolate, you can just get the peanut butter.
That'll be
Nice.
James's.
Yes.
Because he doesn't like chocolate.
And this will be Ryland's.
Yep.
She loves peanut butter cups.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
We're just picking out food for our kids. That's what we do. This is the largest order of Amish stuff that we've ordered.
It's a large pallet of Amish goods. We get this from an Amish community right here in the state of Illinois. And good group of people to work with. Everything's made fresh, so it does take us a while to be able to get it to our store, but they do a good job.
What, about a month?
Took almost a month because of the amount. So if I ordered a little, they could ship that to me pretty quickly, but
So we've got chocolate turtle. So it's got the pecans.
it's all backwards there. Can you flip it around? There we go.
I smell something else. What is that?
Chocolate pecan.
I did put on
Smells good.
deodorant today.
No, it smells really good.
And then chocolate
Something
pecan.
smells minty somewhere. I wonder if this
Somewhere.
I just cut the tape on this one. I wonder if
It wouldn't shock me if we had mint somewhere. Nice.
Might
I
be
think
the
those are
one
ones we
that's
didn't
open.
have
I
before.
cut the
Yeah.
tape on that one, so see if that's minty.
Oh no, this is black licorice. That's what you're smelling.
This is supposed to be the real licorice, right?
Yes. Everything else is a fakie.
Yep. We got schooled on that on the comment section. Licorice is supposed to be black licorice. If it's not black licorice, it's anathema.
All right. Oh. See, this is the fake cherry licorice.
It's the fake, but that's like Twizzlers.
It is like
But
Twizzlers.
it's delicious.
What is Twizzlers flavor? The red one that strawberry that you get?
Unless you get the nibs, which is cherry, and that's my favorite.
Nibs.
Nibs are like the little ones, right?
Yeah.
Twizzler nibs.
All right. You know what? She can open it. I'm just doing the tape.
You're doing a great
Whoa.
job.
Taffy. Taffy.
Love
and
that
more
taffy.
This sells really
Beautiful
good in our
taffy.
retail space too.
It does, I think. Actually, we had a whole bowl of it out there, and I'm like, man, this stuff is selling good, because every time I came out there, it was almost all gone. What happened to it, guys?
We were eating it.
It was almost gone.
It was almost
Really
gone.
good.
People did
Yeah.
enjoy it.
People did. Not
People did.
necessarily the people
Customers.
you thought were enjoying it, but
Exactly.
there's more.
Awesome.
More taffy.
Taffy, taffy, taffy.
We're loaded up.
This one is delicious. And there's like
The orange one.
There's like a caramel apple one too.
The orange one tastes like creamsicle.
Does it?
Oh, more black licorice.
More black licorice.
There you go.
More here's yours.
More cherry.
Cherry twist.
Ooh, yeah. Those are good. Cherry twist. You can't usually find them in the big licorice, except the pull and peel. You know, that is.
That's why I like the pull and peel so much.
There's a watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. Beautiful. Try a different kind of box. There you go. It says 16 ounces. Probably. I'm looking for jams and jellies.
I bet those are on the bottom because they're.
Heavy.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Chocolate pecan.
Chocolate pecan. Here, this is all flipped around. Nice. Chocolate pecan fudge. Cool. Oh,
Here's
more.
some more.
Oh, did find the mint.
There's your mint. More peanut butter.
Chocolate mint fudge. Peanut butter cup fudge. Beautiful.
So last time these were the what are they called? The gift boxes or the gift?
Yeah.
I think
That
they're
would
like
be
the
cool if they were.
Jelly packs.
Those things sold so well.
Yep.
Yeah, they
That's exactly
are.
what they are.
Look at that.
And there's a bunch of them. This it looks like it. This one. This one. This one. This one.
So these are butters. Apple butter, blackberry butter, cherry butter, peach butter, blueberry butter, strawberry butter.
Wonderful.
This is a great Christmas idea.
Yeah, it is. I like the little wooden crate that it's in.
Shannon had one of these, and her son came home from college and ate it all.
What?
Yeah.
Every last one of them?
Yes.
How long was he here?
I think Tanner helped, but yeah, it was a week.
In a week, they ate all the... Oh, my goodness.
They're growing boys.
Yeah, they are.
This is peach jam.
Peach jam.
This one's a 9-ounce container. I'm trying to see if it's all peach.
Is it all peach? Could be
like
all
it.
peach.
Yep.
Beautiful.
So you think we have some stuff we didn't have before?
I
Well,
thought
some
I
of the
did.
fudges.
Yeah, some of the fudges I know are different.
Oh,
That's the
those are
same,
the
yeah. And then this one's the same.
Yep.
And those two are the same. But they're
Yeah,
delicious
I
and
loaded
they
up
look
on
so-
that gift pack.
We're out of that in the store. Too,
Yep.
so.
Strawberry, oh, no sugar added. Strawberry rhubarb jam.
There we go.
More peach jam.
Peach jam.
Get more honey this time?
I can't even remember. Literally, it took a month to get here, so
Yeah.
I can barely remember what happened yesterday.
Red raspberry.
Red raspberry.
Ooh, yum.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
I haven't tried that.
Oh, what is this here?
These are jumbo twists. These are cinnamon.
These are apple. Jumbo
think.
twist.
I think they're cinnamon because I can smell them. Oh, no,
mixture.
it's a mixture. Oh, there is cinnamon in there. Cinnamon and blue raspberry.
Cool.
Some more no sugar added strawberry rhubarb.
Great.
Yep, that's what's in the whole box.
Some of those.
Thanks. I'm going to open one of these ones.
I think somebody asked for honey.
Oh, yeah, here it is. No, it's not.
No, I just see
Honey.
boxes up there.
Oh, sorry. Honey barbecue sauce.
Honey barbecue sauce.
I bet that honey's in that barbecue sauce.
Oh, I
Could
bet
be.
it is. Let's see. Oh, yeah, here it is. And they're in their traditional bears.
Honey bear.
Honey bears.
But this is all Amish made.
Yep.
All of it.
I bet
From,
the bees made this though.
Yeah, you're
Amish
right.
bees, probably.
Amish bees, yes.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Don't know what an Amish bee would look like, but it would be
We'd have a
very
beard.
productive.
We'd have a beard.
Have a beard? I don't know, they all kind of bees already have like that, don't they?
They're pretty furry.
They're pretty furry.
Peach barbecue sauce.
Peach barbecue.
That, the whole box. Looks like,
Yeah. These are more twists.
Okay.
More twists.
Green apple
More
and
honey.
red raspberry.
We're probably going to have to dig around to find whatever the stuff is that we
Honey
don't.
barbecue.
Yep.
Well,
Because a lot of it's probably going to be the same.
This says seedless blackberry. It doesn't. It's not always what it says.
Yeah.
Yes.
try that one. That is no sugar added seedless blackberry jam.
Nice. Try to get the sugar-free stuff as much.
Yeah.
Same.
Same there. Yep.
Okay. Let's try this one.
Mystery. White lids. What's that mean?
Pumpkin butter.
Pumpkin butter.
'Tis the season.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, this is a different size jar.
Something large there. Oh my.
Cranberry jalapeno jam.
That's new.
Yeah.
Shannon, your husband would eat this.
Cranberry jalapeno.
Yeah.
Look at Shannon diligently taking photos
That might
over
end
there.
up in our fridge.
Yeah.
Did we tell them about the traffic jam yet?
Oh, yeah.
It's delicious.
It is
It is
delicious.
good.
We stole a traffic jam for ourselves. It's a jam that's called traffic jam because it has what, red raspberry, blueberry, cherries. It's a bunch of berries.
Yeah.
So they called it traffic jam, which I think is
But
hilarious.
good.
Oh, so good. I eat
good
PB&Js
concoction.
with it all the time. All right, I'm going to do this one.
What do we want to open?
Let's see.
Oh, is that different? No, that's the same.
Kind of looks like a different
Maybe
lid.
we'll try that one.
Well, that's different.
Ooh, Amish made gooseberry jam.
Gooseberry jam.
Gooseberries.
Made out of gooses.
What's a gooseberry?
It looks kind of like a grape.
It does.
That apparently is a gooseberry.
I never ever heard of that before in my entire life.
You've never heard of a gooseberry?
No,
I've never seen one.
Well, we need to try some.
we need to.
At lunch, we're all trying gooseberry
Yeah, we
jam.
are. This is, Amish made honey mustard
And
horseradish.
horseradish mustard.
And, more honey mustard. I think that's all. Horseradish and honey in there.
Yep.
There we go. Got some mustards. I know it might be hard to see on the video, but if you go to hookedonpickin.com, you'll find it all there on the, what is it, candy and
Sorry, are
snacks?
we being very bad about showing the
No,
the
you're
actual
doing great.
thing?
Candy and snacks, right? Is where we go?
Yes.
Dill mustard.
And habanero mustard.
Spicy mustard.
Spicy.
Awesome.
All right, what's this? This says honey bears.
This is more twist.
Okay, let's see what's this. No sugar added strawberry rhubarb again.
We're loaded up on that stuff.
Yeah, which is good because it sold out super fast. They like the no sugar added.
It has a good shelf life, too.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Peach jam. No sugar added
No
peach
sugar
jam.
added peach
That's
jam.
different.
Nice.
That's a new one, yeah.
I've had that before.
How about a couple more boxes?
Okay.
Anything that we can find different?
Pumpkin butter,
Oh,
apple
there's
butter.
apple butter. Yeah. I knew we'd have apple butter in there somewhere.
It looks like there's a few more boxes of that too. So we should
Awesome.
have plenty.
I don't know. Is there anything else that we haven't seen? I'm not sure.
I see more. The traffic jam is down there and cranberry.
Strawberry,
jalapeno.
just classic strawberry
Classic
jam.
strawberry.
That's good.
Then what's this one? Those are, I think, twists. Oh, here's blue raspberry.
There we go. Can't remember if we've seen that yet or not.
Yeah, I can't remember what we've seen today. This one.
Oh, yeah, that one's strawberry butter.
Strawberry
that one
butter, not jam, but butter.
Yeah.
Which we've had. It's
Yeah,
delicious.
we have.
It is
Very
amazing.
good.
Yes.
Cool.
All right, so if you want to go to hookedonpickin.com to the snacks and candy category, let's go out to the store.
Yeah.
And let's show some of the things we have on the shelf because we can kind of visually see it a lot better, and we'll have all of those replenished.
We might
as
have a
well.
customer out there. I'm not sure,
Okay,
but if you
let
want
me
to,
go first.
I'll follow you there. So while Heather's getting that ready, got another pallet delivered there. Another pallet, a couple Bloom Chick pallets back there. Here's another pallet. I've got 6 pallets that are Amazon overstock coming. I just don't know where to put them yet. Are we good?
Yeah. Oh, let me do something with the music real fast.
Okay. We gotta shut the music off or YouTube will take our video down. Because they're like that. They don't like our musics. So, this is the door that we go out into the regular store. Is there a customer on that side? Should I?
No, they're in
Okay,
the back.
they're in the back. Okay. And a sneak peek of the store.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay. I know we have some of these still online.
Yeah, we do. We have
Sorghum
molasses online.
molasses, so it's a
We actually have the larger
we
container
have that
of
one.
molasses.
Yeah, the big one.
That's still on
And
there.
then we have some chocolate still.
Not many, but
Not
some.
many. Then here we have honey barbecue sauce, honey, and then the peach barbecue sauce, and then I think we have another kind of barbecue sauce too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know we reordered this salsa.
Yep.
And we've got pumpkin butter, apple butter, Amish made. This is plain blackberry jam, not the seedless, no sugar added. But I know we reordered that.
Oh yeah. That's all the
Peach jam,
mustards down
strawberry
there.
jam, and then all the mustards. Yeah.
Cool.
So we have all of those things. And so you'll be able to see all of those on hookedonpickin.com. So just go straight to hookedonpickin.com. It's already restocked there. Go to the snacks and candy category. That's where we'll have all of those items.
See some of those snacks and candy
Oh
in there
yeah,
too.
all of this is on there too. So we have, if you need a Krabby Patty in your life, here you go. We have it here at hookedonpickin.com. All right, so thanks so much for joining us, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.